Hi, welcome dear students to this video session. This is the fourth video of 7 of chapter 4. Hope all of you are in good health and hope all of you are also busy in your preparation of the half yearly exam. I would like to recommend all of you must join online class regularly so that you will not face any problem. Today I am going to discuss address mapping and contact information, cloud computing and cloud storage, spams, and software piracy. Previous class, I already explained about the virus symptoms, preventing virus attacks, importance of regular antivirus attacks, and antivirus software. So let us discuss what is address mapping and contact information. Address mapping. With the help of GPS that is Global Positioning System technology, the internet can help map and direct you to almost any place in the world. GPS system is very popular. Using this system, we can track the location. If we don't know the location, simply find the route, distance, the help of the GPS. If you want to find out the medical stores, doctors, restaurants, nearby location within the 2-4 kilometers, 2 to 3 kilometers radius, we are simply able to find out the location, address, phone number. So today's search engines are also smart enough to know your location and help give you the most relevant searches for your area. What is search engine? Search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, all are search engine. So we use generally to search the information. Just need to visit on the Google, Yahoo, Bing, and just search the particular keyword, and we get the result quickly. So using the mapping, address mapping, that is the contact information, GPS system, it help to easily, it works on the latitude and longitude, So if you are talking about the position of any particular city or any country, we can find out the worldwide. So uh, it works on the, when we are talking about the position of India in the world, that is 82.5 degree east. So and it is 5.5 hours ahead of the standard time. Uh, Standard time, it is situated at the London, Greenwich Mean Time (GMT), which we are talking GMT, and 82 and a half degrees. So it is when you going to divide 360 by 24 hours, that we get the 15. So 15 degree, and it is 82 and a half degree ahead, 82 and a half degree east. So it is when you divide by 15, we get 5.5 hours. So only then the our time of Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead of the UK time, London time. You know, so it is 5.5 hours ahead. So different time zones in the world, and it can be identified, the time using the latitude or longitude. When you're going to east or west for the globe, you can just find out the time simply. So this is very important to GPS systems. Only we are able to find out the location, nearby locations, and search engine help you to identify the. So next one is cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is running application through a virtual desktop over a secure internet connection. No special hardware requirement. The ability to access apps and data from just about anywhere on just about any device. Cloud computing allow you to access the resources, you know, in the cloud. For example, you are going to use Google Drive, Google's services. Some of the services we use, that is a free of cost, and we can also use the paid services for a better result. So we don't, for example, when you're going to set up your office, you need to purchase the computer or the various, hard configuration, very high configuration device. And when similarly, you can purchase on the cloud, and you can utilize, you can set up your services in the cloud. You can run on your business. You can set up your the online stores on the cloud. So the ability to access apps and data from, you just need to you need to a good internet connection, so that you can simply connect with your mobile, and it is not limited to the place. You can access from any part of the world. So this is the benefit when we are going to use the cloud computing. Next one is the cloud storage. What is the cloud storage? Cloud storage is simply storing data and files and performing backup to an external location offsite. So it allows you to, when you are going to use cloud storage, you know, your data is, you can say your data is safe. Now, it allows you the storage of your data and files, and backup of an external location offsite. Various cloud provider, Amazon is one of the popular cloud providers. You can purchase, various. Uh, so the benefit of the cloud storage, that you can access from any part of the world. This is the benefit, you know, and there is no chances of data loss. So the main benefit of this solution is it ensures complete data is kept secure and readily available in case on-site data is lost or there is some form of unexpected disaster like a fire which destroys the business. So in that case, if you are working in your office and your data is on a cloud, so if there any mishappening, any mishappening, your although your data is safe, you can recover from the cloud storage. So this is the vital benefit. The data is stored on a virtual server, not implies actual device. Yeah. So this is the benefit of the data. Now, what is spams? Spams are unwanted emails that are sent constantly to various mailing lists, individuals, and groups. So, spams, how will you able to access the spams? When you're going to open the Gmail account, now you see the your inbox, and there is also a folder, a spams folder. So a spam, where you when you're going to click over the spam folders, now you see the various emails in your spam. So this is, these are the unwanted emails. Now, what is the purpose of the unwanted emails? They try to for unnecessary emails or for a purpose of advertisement, and no, someone try to send bulk SMS, bulk message, no, bulk emails to your email ID, because there other means of advertisement, it costs a more, you know so that the use this mode of cheapest mode of advertisement. So unnecessary emails, advertisement, you see, use the system resources and slow it down. So it causes your system being slowed down. Also, it can also be compared to an unwanted collect call to your telephone. Sometimes you get unwanted calls for some of the companies which trying to sell something in product. So this is similar to, you can compare this. So spams are unwanted emails where you can get this email when you are going to open Gmail. You can see the spam folders inside, and when you click over there, the spams, you can see there the dots of. Next one, software piracy. So software piracy is the act of copying and distributing copies of software illegal. The act of copying and distributing copies of the software illegal. This is software piracy. So software piracy is the act of stealing software that is legally protected. This stealing includes copying, distributing, modifying, or selling the software. Sometimes what we do, we purchase a single license copy, and we distribute among our friends. So this is because purchased purchased a single license copy, and we are liable to use for a single computer, single for software, and we are liable to use for a single computer. In that case, we must abstain from the distribute. So we generally distribute among the friends, or we make a multiple copy and also sell them in the market. So this is the example of software piracy. I hope all of you are able to understand. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.